Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm gonna make some more Christmas tree decorations, and this time I'm gonna make gonks. Yes, I'm gonna make more Christmas decorations. Yay! Never enough, never enough. It's got to be more and more Christmas decorations. Not sure where I put them all, but no, I need to make them. I need to make them. And this time I'm making these cute little gongs. And I sort of developed an obsession with the gongs last year when we got married. And to the point that our wedding favors were little gongs that I painted myself. And they were like so cute, so cute. I know that there's a lot of people making this, but then I thought, oh, why not make the girl with the plaits? So I made her as well, and also why not decorate the little hats? These are very simple, very, very simple, and I'm gonna show you how I make them. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's start. So first of all, we need a toilet roll. What I've done, I've marked 2 centimeters. So that's what we're going to be using to create the little hat. So let's cut this. There we go. I'm going to make a boy and a girl. And I've got these little semi-spheres, wooden semi-spheres that I'm going to use for the nose. Oh, so cute. You can leave them like that, or you can paint them. You can do whatever you like. I have got my 2 little rings from the toilet roll, and I've got my pink wool. I love this color. Oh, this is amazing. That's gonna be perfect for the hats, because although I'm more of a sort of classic colors on the Christmas tree, I've recently just gone absolutely mental, and because I had loads of wool left over, I created loads of colorful decorations, and they all come together really nicely, and I absolutely love it. So I got a little bit obsessed with it, and I just got carried away. So let's start. So I've got this card. This is 13 centimeters long. It doesn't matter the width, because I'm going to be wrapping the wool this way, and that is going to create the strings to cover the toilet roll. So let's do it. We put them in a loop inside the toilet roll, loop on the right hand side, the other 2 strings on the left hand side, the end bits, and we get through the loop, and we leave the loop on the right hand side, and we're going to do that with all the other strings until the hat is fully covered. And there we go. Now we've covered all of the strip of the toilet roll. What we're going to do, we pushed all of this inside, and we have it like this. And what we do, we get a string pretty much half the way through, and we just do a double knot. Ta-da! And we got our little hat. So cute. And then we cut Now that we got our hats, we need to create the beard and the plaits. So what I used to use is this stitch counter, and this is 13 centimeters. So what I did, I just wrap wool around it, like this should be okay. we only cut one side of it. And we put the glue gun inside the hat and we push the wool in to fill the hat. And then what we do, we attach the little nose. Try not to get burnt. And we trim the beard. If you want to, you can leave it long. And there you have it. And then we attach some decorations. Let's see what we've got here. Let's get one of these. And attach it to the hat. And we get pink string through the little bell, and we attach the bell at the top, and we do a knot at the top, and here's our gong. Ta-da! And now let's do the girl. I have my tablet and I wrap the wool around the shorter side. And we plait it. There we go. The boy and the girl gong. I'm so excited. And now to decorate the tree. So make sure you watch to the end to see how I decorate the tree and to see how many I made and what they look like on the tree. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can keep up with the notification for when the next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.